Avondale Dart 380.2, 2-berth touring caravan with end kitchen, and a motor mover. Internal length, 12.47 feet. Width, 6.99 feet. Weight 842 kilograms. The caravan comes with a motor mover with a handheld remote control. In the lounge, there are opposing sofas. With soft furnishings, upholstered in a contrasting green and light grey fabric, and a central storage chest with pull-out dining tabletop, the chest includes an extension to make a double bed. The furniture and fittings are in a light-coloured veneered finish. There are also a multitude of floor and wall storage cupboards and a standalone table for extra dining surface. Double glazed windows with curtains, insect mesh and blinds throughout, and 12-volt and 240-volt lighting plus corner reading lights. There is a rear kitchen, with a 4-burner gas hob, oven and grill, in dark red. White sink with drainer and mixer tap. And a 3-way fridge. In the bathroom, you will find a cassette toilet, a shower, and a vanity unit with a sink. Please remember, this is not a new caravan, so it may have age-related marks.